First of all, just enter kitchen, carry water or tea or coffee, just put it beside you, so that as they watch the video, you go from there they take small they drink, because this matter e good make we lis ten am to the end, so that make we learn wetin dey happen now. Hello my beautiful family, this is Mama Joe. Today matter when we bring today, na the matter when e be say, first of all, just enter kitchen, carry water or tea or coffee, just put it beside you, so that as they watch the video, you go from there they take small they drink, because this matter e good make we lis ten am to the end, so that make we learn wetin dey happen now. One day, that is last year, e get one program wey they do. Every time we dey watch this program for Nigeria, therefore they do the program. Then as they do the something, we dey watch am every time. Then my sister just call me say, you get one woman when you see for that program. Already me, I don't watch am. I no even see am. Now my junior sister and I come and say, see oh, say you get one woman when you see for that video. Say inside that video, say as the woman be, say if you see am, say if you say you no go even like am at all. I say, I say, send her to me, say I dey wait for you. Immediately she sent the picture of the woman give me and the program where they for the door. Then I come dey watch am. When I see the woman, I say, my God, what is this? Earring not dey, no hair tie, nothing. When you see the woman, you go know who that woman be. Then from there, me with my sister at dayline, when I dey watch am, I come tell her, say, you see this woman? I say, either this woman, either she not get husband, or the husband he don't travel go where the for not they come back again. Now my sister say, na true. I say, not be true. Now two things now the something be. Then my sister say, okay, say what is dey inside, him go look for this woman. I say, I dey behind you, no problem. My junior sister say, no, say him go handle am. I say, okay, if you go feel handle am, no problem. But I dey your back. Anything when you want to do, say maybe you get as a bit, just call me, then I give you solution. He say, okay, no problem. Then pick up that very day. He pick up telephone. He call one of our family brother for home. He say, brother, so person, I don't send her for your handset. Just check am. I need them. Say because that woman, the one when you see the woman, you not sweet for belly. Now the brother say, say that one I walk on. I say no problem. Then he can't go look for the lady. Reaching that place now, he just go direct to the place where they for do the program. Those people say yes, say they know this woman. You all know I'm say yes. The man come happy. They come carry this our brother, come carry and go meet where the woman they stay. Reaching there, the brother self when they see the woman, they say, oh my God. They come interview and say, how it be? The woman say yes. He say in day alone. Say a husband don't travel go where they not from they come back again. Oh, okay, no problem. Then we said, okay, my sister, the family friend just called my sister, say they don't see him. We say I beg, Mona go back again, make him talk to the woman. Now he say okay, no problem. They can't go back again. Then they give the woman the telephone. Then my sister come greet him. As he greet her finish, now he say, we in the greet. Now my sister say, you go know me later. Then now he come tell her say, the way when I see you for that party when I go, so day, you not sweet him for belly. Now he make her come be say, he send somebody come find you. Even the time when they find the woman self, the only thing when they tell those people when they find the lady, they come to say, that lady not they find trouble. That lady not they find trouble. What did the lady do? They say no. Say the lady not do anything. Say na better night they come from. Say no problem. Then they come tell only one man night they tell say, see oh, say see what they happen. The woman come happy. Say the woman go they happy well. My sister come tell her say, you don't know me, I don't know you. You don't know me before. You know me before? The woman say no. Then she herself say, me, I don't know you, you don't know me. But God now locate you so. Your day, it don't break. The woman called it happy because I did line with them. The woman called it happy, called it happy, called it happy. Myself, my body, as they even see herself, my body, it just be like, say, sugar day, my body. Hey. Then, from there, now my sister called tell her, say, you see that job? You know they do that job again. That job where you say you they do, now you take the feed yourself. That job today, it don't end. The woman can't raise to off a hand. He can't they happy, can't they dance, he can't pray. I so much thank God. Say that woman, now Christian also. The woman is happy. Then we said, okay, no problem. Then they can't go. As they can't go, now my sister say, no. The following day, he can't go back. When he go back, he send money, go give them. Can't call the brother, say, I beg, make you give him small money first of all. You know the funny thing. As they just read that place, they can't give the woman money. As they give the woman money, they see the woman body can't they shake, because he never see that kind of money before. The body can't they shake. They say, no, calm down. They say the woman just go one side, he just squat in body like this. Because the woman, you don't know what he go do. The woman, whether na dance, he go dance, whether na cry, go cry, you don't even know. Happiness just finish him. From there, the man just call my sister. Now my sister say, you see the money? He say, you see him. He say, okay. He come pray for my sister also. Now he tell her, say, make you use this one, they hold your hand. Then he called the brother, say, I beg, the remaining money, keep on. Next month, send the remaining one for her. Make it they eat. Make it just take off himself. Now my sister say, I take God beg you. Make sure every day you eat as you like. When that one finish, we go bring up for you again. The woman is happy. Say, but only thing when go make me vex for you, I don't want to make you go that job again. At the time my junior sister that they say, ask them how much did they pay? How much did they pay for a month? You know, quick. Then we can't stop. Then it's okay. Then later again, my junior sister say, brother, I beg that remaining money, at least it don't reach 1 month now. That remaining money, go give am to the lady. He can't go give am to the lady. Then after 3 days, my junior sister call her again, say, my junior sister come they tell her now, say, me, I not get mama again. Now you go be my mama again now. The woman say, no problem. He dey laugh. He ask her, say, you go school? He said, me go before, but he don't know how to read and write. And I say, because he don't take when he go school last. He go school before, but now when he be say, he not the read again, not the write again, everything don't come up for his brain. He go start from afresh again now. My junior sister say, no problem. We will find teacher for you, or you can't go adult school again. The woman is happy. Then from there now I tell my junior sister, say, from telephone, they tell her, say, ask how much they pay her. Ask how much they pay her a month, a week, or a day. Now my junior sister say, which kind job will they job will they do? Which kind job? He say, and how much did they pay you? He say they follow them, they go farm, and now they the morning in the evening time. Then when they finish, they will give them 500 naira, which is cent for here. Say they will give them 500 naira. I tell my sister, say, ask them again. Maybe you not hear what you did. Maybe Nami not here. Then he ask them again. The woman they laugh. He said na 500 naira. Now they give him. He said for one hour. No. He said for 1 day. When they go that farm finish, then later they will give him just only 500 for a day. That means if you work 2 days now, they give you 1,000. He say yes. Hey, I preach myself. I say God, our government people, our people are suffering. How can in the morning you just go person farm, from morning till night, then at the end they will give you 500 naira, which is not okay. Maybe it should be around 40 cents or 50 cents now. I don't know. but they will just give am that 500 naira, which is not correct. Then my junior sister say, okay, no problem. But mommy, wetin I dey tell you, I don't want make I hear and say you go that job again. Oh. The funny thing when they inside be say, this lady, she get sisters them. She get brothers them. None of them they help am. All in children, no one come there with them. Because you know they have he can't be able to feed herself, not to talk of to feed the children. He just carry in children, go give people as a house help or house waiting, I don't know. Which is not correct. All the family, they are there. For them to help her is difficult for them. Then he said, okay, no problem. He can't reach November. My sister just call and say, I beg. Wetin go happen? Make you just put her for ground. Make you look for wetin you go do. Like the type of business when you go do. Then he said, okay, say he go look for. First of all, my sister answer say, like which type of business you want now make you do? He say the something. He say wetin many people they do for here. He say you just go buy something, put her for wheelbarrow, you go they push and they go. Now there, my sister say come for ground where for laugh. He say laugh. He come tell her say, not be wheelbarrow business in they tell you. Just go sit down. Discuss them with your family. As far as you say you get a sister, you get brother, but they're not they help you. If you go meet them, or if you get friend, go meet them, make they help you suggest the market when you be say you go they do, you go feed yourself, and you will go carry your children, come back, come stay with you, then they go to help you. Then you go to manage your life, they go. Because now, God don't locate you. Your day don't break, finish. Nobody go fit take her for your hand again. Then he said, okay. He can't reach earlier December. My junior sister, he tell me, say, he won't buy something, go give the woman. He won't go surprise him. I say, no problem. He say, he don't write the whole list to finish you. My family. Surprising thing. As he just do finish, nothing when he not buy. Both wrapper, both food, everything when they use, even McLean, everything when they use for house, he just buy and finish. They just load and put for inside big motor. They can't go give this lady for where she did stay. Read there, they say all the whole village gather. They say the woman nearly collapsed. Say now be this one, now you get this food, dash, not be saying buy them. Then after 2 days, my junior sister call her. Say, mommy, you see your food? My junior sister say the woman not get mad to take torture. Say the only thing when the woman they talk now, only prayer, the woman they pray for her. He say, come tell her, say, make you not worry. Say that market, say you must do one. So that you go carry your children come, you not go there house alone. It's okay, no problem. Then it reached last week. My junior sister can call. As he just call her, me call her and say, you don't see the market when you want do now. The woman come and say, yes, say he don't see market when you want do. He comes and say, okay, no problem. Make him see what he go fit do. Already, my junior sister get the account number. Then he can enter bank, he pay money for the account. As he pay money for the account, oh, now 2 people he pay the money for, one don't receive his own, the other one not receive his own. That is this lady now. First of all, me, I don't tell my junior sister, say, this money when you want put for your account, if you be say you not go fit enter, say because this kind of money never enter this woman account. This woman not they work, you know they do anything. Say, well, no problem, make you try. As my junior sister, because Nana, you know if you pay and put for his sister account or anybody account, he can tell her say no. Now only your own account, now you go put the money. Because already my junior sister, he don't open account for him, he don't buy handset for him. When you go feel they take the reach him, then no problem. You get all your about you information about you, you make you know wahala yourself. Now the woman contact my junior sister say, okay, no problem. Then as I just pay the money put, he don't know enter. Now he can't call me. He can't tell me say, see, say that true you talk. Say the woman will not enter. Say I don't tell you. Say what did they say? Make you call them. Tell them say make them go back. Now he call. As I just call, he say make them go back. When they read them now, say the content they say because he not get a voter card. Okay. Then they can't go do. When they do finish it, come back, can't give them. They can't say no, say you never reach their turn. Say because now turn by turn they do them. Now they say okay, say no problem. Then from there, now somebody pinch my sister say, you go talk to them. Oh, say if not, say his sister go collect that money from that woman hand. Say his sister not mind, go collect the whole money, go tell her say sit down for house, making the take and they do your own business. Say you go to feed them. My junior sister say what? Say that one no, it not work. Say that one not go work. Then, before then, now he come here. Come ask and say, come, mommy, where you dey? He say he dey his sister house. Now from there, his sister carry telephone from a hand. He come tell her say, hey, my sister, say, what did they say? Be say, you know now, say, as God don't help my sister don't get person when they abroad. Now he can say, Ingo go in house. He can't carry her from village. He can't carry her come city. First of all, my junior sister asked her, say, come on. Who tell you say I dey abroad? He say yes, because the person will come find his sister tell them say, you know dey house. Okay, if you know dey house, that means in dey abroad. Then he say, I better make enough. He say enough verse. Then from there, he can't talk say, now all this things can't happen like this. When God don't locate my sister like this, now it's okay. I can't go village where my sister they stay. I can't carry my sister come city, come stay with me. That means all the whole food when they buy for that woman just charter motor, go village, go carry everything put for motor. So funny. Carry everything put for motor. Carry the woman, join inside. Tell her, so yeah, come. Now they can't go the woman house. Go they stay. Unbelievable. The time when this woman they suffer, his sister not see him say, he go carry and come city, come stay. Now when you know say, in day don't break. Now that time you know say, he go come carry and put for a house. Make una they learn something, no. Make we they learn something, no. Make we put ear and eye for ground. Make we they learn something, no. Your own sister, they suffer like this, you not help them. Now when you say, God don't locate them. Now that time you know say, you won't help them. Say, okay, come out for village, come city, come stay. Then all the whole food, everything when they carry go give the woman, when you say, that woman self 1 year never finish. Now they carry and go back to city, go stay. Now my junior sister say, come on. What did they say? Be say, when day you won't go back? He say, you never know. Fear not let and tell my junior sister and I say, his sister go village, come carry and come a city, come stay. Now this is sister. Now I call open mouth, call the talk. This is sister when he be say, he dey work, government work. He get shop, big shop, according to them. Me, I don't know them. He get big shop where they for the sell rapper. He not feel help his sister. Now when he be say, somebody they help his sister. Now that time he know say, food do they grant now. Make he carry his sister. Then in children, he just share in children. Give people, they do house girl and husband. Then he carry in junior sister now, he put her for house. They say that oneself, say, you don't know what they do again. If they tell us, say, make it chop, it chop. If they tell us, say, make it throw away, he throw away. Because, you know, anybody will not get money. Me, I understand the woman. Anybody will not get money, now so they be. You know, they know what they do again. No other means to get money. Now, God, now go help that woman. The only thing where people they talk now, they say, they waited there for just do for that woman now, just to carry and go therapy, because I'm sorry to say so, the poverty, it don't damage the woman brain. When they say, you don't even know what to do again. Anything when they tell them, so laugh, now they laugh. If, like my sister call her for telephone, before you go talk 1 to 3, he go carry and give his sister, and that in senior sister, they always the day with them. Because now, God don't open the way for them. e dey dey with am every time. This kind thing is not good. At least if you, like olden days time, they say if you chop small, say your sister near you, give your sister, make it chop. But this one will not be like that. You just want to destroy his sister. Somebody just pinch my sister, say, this morning, say his sister, you go take her from me hand, no. Now then my junior sister can't come outside, say, wait till they talk. Okay, no problem. He pick up his telephone. He called them. As he just called them, he thought to his sister finish. He called tell his sister saying, you see this money when he bring come. He not bring and come for anybody. He bring and come for your sister, make it doing business, and make it go carry his children when he share. Go they do house boy, house girl. May he just carry the children, come house. Come they stay with them. Now he make him bring this money for him. Say he no want, make this money go another person pocket. Say he take God beg him. This money, his sister, he go to use and they do business so that he go eat bellyful with his children. He say, his senior sister say, no problem, no problem. He dey talk no problem, na lie yo. He go collect her from his hand according to people. And not there. They say this woman, say he go collect that money from his sister hand because his sister not get something to say. Me, I don't know why some people they behave like that. Even myself, 2019, when it be say, before we travel to Nigeria, I sent 100 euro, go give somebody, which is 40,000, they pay the money. The time when I reach Nigeria, they ask and say, you see the money when I send give you? Say no, you know, say amo. I say, but the money come out from my account, enter your account. He say, no, say you don't know. Then later night, my junior sister, my junior brother come tell me, say, thank you. Thank you. 40,000 of money. It is if you give him that 40,000, you go value him. You not value 40,000. I say, that's okay, no problem. Then we can leave. He never even reach about 3 days in daughter because he don't hear now say I bring money for your mama. In daughter call me. In daughter say I beg. Say whether I go fit borrow him 50,000 so that on Monday he go pay me the money. Money when you not get Saturday, on Monday night go come get 50,000. Now tell her say my dear, I say I not get. I say me I not get. I won't go do burial. I say I not get money. Now then that one call invest for me say I not bring money for him. Even the other one also, one way be say them pay 20,000 for your account. If they complain say 20,000, now person nine bid has put you. Now the same person nine give you 20,000, he say 20,000 to your account. You don't want to take them. Where say make it take the 20,000, the money just there. Complete 6 months. Maybe you get a CBA now. Now make can come go back go take the money. Me I don't know whether my family, whether I see the experience that something like that. So when you say if you send money go Africa, na problem it dey be. No time when you go send money go Africa, when you say you not get the problem. That one a lie. You go call telephone, call. Headache don't come. All this canteen is not good. Look outside now. Outside now so white. Snow they fall now. Look outside. Snow they fall. You go enter inside the worker, they go walk. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, you dey inside. Then at the end of the month, when you say money go give them now, they're going to say the money not rich. Say the money not big. The other one, the bid house put, send 20,000 to her. He say, hey, you come be now, say, all the family, then they abroad. Because now be the same mama boy with them. Now, then they even for them to help him, they hear they suffer. How his family go there abroad, he go there here they suffer. Somebody bid house, he put you. He say money, he go give you. You say the money not rich. You carry two women them. You put her for inside house. Then you they wait now, make the people when they abroad, they bring money, make you they chop. All this canteen when our people they do, it's not good. This canteen is not good. If you they look what they do, self, you go just block all of them number so that make them not reach you again. Nobody they abroad here when be say if they plug money for outside, or if they plug money for tree, or if they plug money for inside house. No. You must struggle. If you not struggle, nobody go give you money. If you not work, who go pay you? Wait for government to make government they feed you unless you they sick. If you dey sick, government if they support you, or you don't old, government go fit support you. Not be say you get 2 legs for ground. You say, I so much proud for our black people when they here. Then they work. Some they work with 2 times. Some they work with 2 jobs. Some they work with 3 jobs. I really proud of them. They're not they lazy. Our African people here not they lazy. I so much love them. God bless all our African people here. My sisters, my brother, make we just end that here. This something just they pay me for body. When it be say, if you not get, nobody go near you. When you don't get, now that time they will not say, they go come outside, come meet you, say, my sister, make we sit down, they eat this kind of money, which is not correct. My family, I do well as on I watch. Okay, now bye.